Okay, good morning. Today we will proceed with the operations on polynomials. So specifically, adding polynomials. So last time you already know that a certain polynomial or a certain algebraic expression may represent a whole number or an integer, no? And ibig sabihin, since these integers can be since we can perform basic operations on integers, no, so we can also uh, perform operations on polynomials. Okay? So, in adding polynomials, no, ito lang yung kailangan natin gawin. All we have to do is to add the similar terms. Na po, so, balikan natin yung diniscuss natin about similar terms. Similar terms are terms having the same literal factor. Siyempre, kapag po same literal factor, dapat din, aside from that, no, meron din tayo dapat the same exponent. No po, so, palitan ko lang ng kulay yung pen ko. Okay, so, again, similar terms, titingnan mo siya, dapat parehas siya ng variables. Same letter, no, same variable, and dapat same exponent din siya. So, hindi pwede na yung isa ay mayroong exponent na 2, yung isa ay walang exponent na 2. No? So, halimbawa, yung isa ay may exponent na 3, dapat yung kapartner niya may exponent din na 3. No? Yan ay sa variables. No? So, again, ang similar terms can be determined by looking at the variable and its exponent. No, so kung wala daw siyang kasimilar, no, or kaparehas na term, no, just bring it down. So for our first example, no, we have 3x squared minus 3x minus 5 plus x squared minus 9. So the first method that we will be using will be yung horizontal method, no. So sa horizontal method, pwedeng i-rewrite mo sila or i-regroup mo yung mga terms or pwedeng diretso na agad ng pag-a-add. No po? So kung ide-diretso mo yung pag-a-add, I suggest that you use markers para matandaan mo alin na yung mga terms na na-add mo. So for example, on this given, okay, so 3x squared is similar with another term with the variable x and an exponent of 2. No? So, hindi pwedeng itong dalawang to dahil ito namang x na ito ay walang exponent na 2. Okay? So, kung wala dito siya sa polynomial na to nakasimilar, let us look on the other polynomial. No? Kaya sila naka-parentheses. Kung mapapansin nyo, naka-parentheses sila. And that is for us to identify which is the first polynomial and which is the second polynomial. So, let us add. No, so 3x squared is similar to x squared. Okay, lagyan ko siya ng underline dito, no? So, ito yung dalawang similar. Okay? And add lang po natin yung numericals niya, no? So, when we add similar terms, all you have to do is to add the numerical coefficient and copy the variable and exponent, no? So, kopya lang po. Okay? Pwede mong isipin na itong variable and exponent ay ano ba ito? Parang label, no? Label. Okay, hindi mo naman ina-add yung label, no? So, kokopyahin mo lang yung label sa numbers, 'di ba? So, kung parang mansanas, ganon. So, 3 mansanas plus 1 mansanas. Parang ganon lang, no? So, mansanas pa rin siya. Hindi naman siya nag-evolve, 'di ba? So, kung x squared ang i-add mo sa isa pang x squared, edi ang magiging variable and exponent pa rin ay x squared pa din. So, 3x squared plus 1x squared, wala lang nakasulat na 1 kasi hidden 1 na siya, is equal to 4x squared. Okay? So, next one, no? So, let's do this in the format of writing the polynomial in the descending order na agad, no? So, para organize yung pagsasagot natin. Pag sinabing descending order, ibig sabihin, pababa yung exponent. No, kagaya nito, naka-descending order na to. So, the degree here is 2. Ang degree nito ay 1. No, may exponent kasi yung 1 dyan. And the degree of a constant is 0. So, naka-descending order na to. So, let's proceed with the next degree. We have degree of 1. No, dahil itong negative 3x, mapapansin nyo, wala naman siyang kaparehas or kasimilar sa same polynomial. Wala din po dun sa second polynomial. So, if that's the case, all you have to do is to bring it down. So, kumbaga dala niya tong sign niya dito, ha? Yan. Next one, we have negative 5, no? So, if you're going to look closely, no, wala siyang variable. But, kung babalikan nyo yung mga lessons natin dati, di ba? This one is an integer, and you can perform operations with it kung may kapartner pa siya na isa pang integer din, o isa pang whole number din, isang pang whole number, no? Because whole number is a positive integer, including 0, no? Parang gano'n. Okay? So, kahit wala siyang variable, no? Kasimilar niya pa rin itong isa pang term na walang variable, no? So, we have negative 5. Gawin ko naman siyang circle. Okay? Para alaman ko sino magka-partner, di ba? So, negative 5 and negative 9 are similar because they do not have, or they are constants, no? They both do not have variables. So, if you add the two, negative 5 plus negative 9, so negative plus negative, okay? Utang plus utang, kailangan bayaran plus kailangan bayaran, ay kailangan mo pa rin bayaran. No, so it's negative. No, then 5 plus 9, this is 14. Okay, so therefore, our final answer will be 4x squared minus 3x minus 14. Okay. Next, let's proceed with the second example. So we have here degree of 3, 2, and 0. The second polynomial, we also have degree of 3, 2, and 0. No, so let us add. So let us use another method. No, ito naman yung vertical method na tinatawag. So kanina horizontal method, mas preferred siya ng nakararami kasi tipid siya sa space. Okay? But the danger will be, pag humaba na yung iyong polynomials at dumami yung polynomials mo, medyo nakakalito na siya. So, on the second method that we will use, vertical method, no, we are going to align the similar terms in a column. No, if a certain term has no similar, we'll add another column for it. No, so for example, dito, so we have 3x cubed plus 6x squared plus 8. Sulat lang natin sila. Yun yung una nating polynomial, and pwedeng dun tayo magbatay ng columns natin. Or pwede kayo magbatay dun sa degree. No, since we have 3 here, 2, wala tayong degree of 1, so pwedeng mag-skip tayo ng isa dito. Okay, for the degree of 1. And for the degree of 0, pwedeng isulat na natin dito yung 8. No? So, pwedeng plus 8. Okay? Ito yung degree of 1. Nakaano lang siya. Walang nakalagay kasi wala naman dito. Then, for the second polynomial, i-identify na natin kung saang column sila dapat nakasulat. So, we have here 7x cubed, diba? So, 7x cubed, x cubed, x cubed. So, sila dapat yung magka-column. Okay? Next, we have negative 6x squared. Ayan, x squared. So, sila yung magka-column. Make sure na dadalhin na niya yung sign niya sa unahan, ha? So, this minus sign will become negative sign of 6. So, it's minus 6 or negative 6x squared. Then, negative 12, no, wala naman siyang x dito. Kung may x sana dito, dito natin siya ilalagay sa column na to. Pero dahil wala siyang variable, no, dun siya sa column ng degree of 0, no. So, negative 12. Kung nagtataka kayo kung ano yung degree na sinasabi natin, in a polynomial with only one variable, we're pertaining to the exponent. No, so nasa two lessons before to. Okay? So now let us add per column ang adding po natin. So wala naman dito, huwag na nating isipin masyado yung nandyan. So let us add, we have 1x cubed plus 7x cubed, no? 1 plus 7, we have 8x cubed. Next, we have here 6 plus negative 6, diba? These are opposites, okay? And pag magkaiba po ang sign at taga-add ka, no? Subtract mo agad. Yun yung medyo nakakagulo. Pero, pag nasanay ka, mabilis mo na siyang masasagot, no? So, pansamantala, pwedeng ilagay mo siya sa context ng pera. Okay? Imagine mo meron kang perang 6 pesos at ang kailangan mong bayaran ay 6 pesos rin. No? So, syempre, pag binayaran mo yung kailangan mong bayaran, wala na pong matitira sa'yo, 'di ba? So, that one will be 0. No? So, since our 0 will have sandali lang. Since our 0 here will have other terms with it, kagaya nitong 8x cubed at saka yung magiging sagot dito sa dalawang to. No, so pwedeng hindi na natin siya isulat, okay, sa final answer. Then, let's proceed with the column of 8 and 12. No, so 8 plus negative 12, again, different signs. So, subtract agad yan. So, this is 4. Then, kopya mo yung sign ng mas malaking absolute value. No, so, kumbaga, i-disregard mo yung sign. Anong mas malaki? 8 or 12? Diba? So, that one is 12. No, kung ano yung sign ng 12, siyang kokopyahin mo sa final answer. No po? So, therefore, our final answer will be 8x cubed minus 4. So, ito, palitan natin to. 8x cubed. Next, for the third example, we have 2a cubed minus 6a squared minus 8 plus 8a cubed minus 6. So, pause the video and try to answer this one. Then, reveal natin yung answer mamaya. Okay, so let's reveal the answer. So, 2a cubed plus 8a cubed, this is 10a cubed. Negative 6a squared, wala siyang kasimilar, so just bring it down. Then, negative 8 and negative 6, so it's negative. Ayan. So, let us put it in the context of problem solving. So, for example, 4, find the perimeter of the given rectangle. So, instead of having numbers, we have algebraic expressions. So, pag mga ganito ang given, di ba? Pag perimeter kasi, it refers to the total length of sides. Ibig sabihin, i-add mo yung length of sides. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, since we have here polynomials, we can use vertical addition or horizontal addition in adding all of the terms. So, sa similar terms lang po. Okay? So, let us use vertical addition. Pwede rin naman horizontal, no? It's up to you po. Okay? So, let's add. We have 3x plus 5 plus 2x minus 3 plus 3x plus 5 plus 2x minus 3. No? So, since our given is a rectangle, mapapansin nyo, magkasing haba po yung yung kanilang sides. Yung opposite sides na po. Okay, so now let's add 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. This is 10. No, so 5 plus 5 kasi siya. So, 10x. Then, 5 plus 5 is 10. 3 plus 3 is 6. So, parang 10 minus 6 siya. Okay? Or pwedeng isipin mo, 5 minus 3 is 2. Plus 5 is 7. Minus 3 is 4. So, this is positive 4. Okay? So, hindi tayo magkakaroon, again, ng iisang answer dahil po wala naman tayong binigay na value for the variable na given.